So tonight's project is from this past paper pumpkin, this cute little fish, and it's a treat holder. Super cute, you guys. Isn't that adorable? Oh my goodness. So I'm going to show you how we make today's project, and I'm going to show you how to make tonight's project. Awesome. And it's made using an envelope. So I'm going to stick the envelope shut. Yuck. And it's a square envelope. And just so you know, you can actually make this envelope on your envelope punch board, which is awesome. But I wanted to talk a few things about this catalog. And tonight's paper that I'm using is from the Magic Myths and Magic designer series paper. It's awesome. So what you're going to do is you're going to bring in your Stampin' trimmer, and you're going to take your envelope and you are going to go horizontally from point to point, and you are going to score this. All right. You are then going to flip it around. You're going to line this up at the 7-inch mark on the side over here. And you are going to bring your trimmer, your cutting blade, and you're going to bring it up to the 6.5-inch mark, and you're going to cut down. Okay. You're then going to put your top of the paper at the 1-inch mark. You're going to bring your blade and you're going to bring it to the 2.5-inch mark, and you're going to cut up. Now the reason why I start from here and go up is because you never want to bring your blade from a corner piece, because it's going to get stuck. So you always want to lift the trimmer and go from the inside and move it out. So what you're going to do now is you're going to take a pencil and you are going to make a mark on each side, and you're going to line that mark that you just made to the top of that point. And you're going to cut up, and you're going to bring your snips in and cut that away. And you're going to do the opposite as well. So you're going to line that pencil mark up, and you're going to bring it up to that point. So you want to put that in. And you want to cut that away. Okay. What you're going to do now is you're going to go from that point and you're going to snip up. Like so. And that's what's going to give you your little fish. Okay. And that's going to be your little pouch where your little treat snack is going to go into. Okay, you see where we're going? So what you want to do now, the paper pumpkin has a stamp set, and I'm using one of the images out of the stamp set right over here. I have my lemon lime twist ink, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a piece of paper and I'm going to stamp all the way down from the top to the bottom. So the designer series paper I'm using from the Myths and Magic, and I like this one because it's got the it looks like fish scales, and this piece measures what does it measure? 2 5/8 by 5 1/4, and you need 2 of them. And what you're going to do is you are going to attach it. Sorry, my dog's barking. You're going to attach it to your fish, like so. And then you're going to cut away the excess. I think my husband might be home. Sorry about that. And you're going to repeat that on the opposite side. Now this is glimmer paper from the Paper Pumpkin kit, and what we're going to do is we're going to trim this in half. So we're going to cut this at half, and when you trim glimmer paper, you don't want to do it on the rough glimmery paper. You want to always flip it over, and we're going to cut this from point to point, like so. And then what we're going to do is we're going to flip it around and line this up at the 1 inch. And we want to cut a piece like so. We're going to save this piece because we're going to use this for the eyeballs. And we're going to do the same on the other piece. Line it up at the 1 inch. And just cut away. So what you're left is with these 2 pieces. And this is 2 5/8 by 5 1/4. No, the glimmer paper is 3 1/2 by 3 1/2. I'm sorry, 3 1/2 by 3 1/2. Oh, I got glue on my surface. That stinks. All right. So I have 2 punches here. I have the 3/4 inch punch and the 1/2 inch punch, and we are going to punch out 2 of these. And then I have some basic black, and I'm going to punch out 2 basic black for the eyeballs with the 1/2 inch. I have some glue dots, and I'm going to take the basic black and attach it to the glimmer paper. I'm now going to take this and I'm going to add it to the fish, like so. And I'm leaving a little border. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm leaving a little border on my fish. Now with this multi-purpose liquid glue, it does give you a little time to play, so you can get it to where you need it to be, and then you can go ahead and cut away the excess. And then again, I'm going to just use a glue dot and glue dot the eyeball, and I'm going to repeat that on the opposite side. And then you're going to stick your little candy in. But what you want to do is you're going to take a glue dot and you're going to go and you're going to glue opposite corners like so. Now you can remove these little pieces from the envelope, or you can actually just glue it down. It's up to you. And then on the opposite side, you're going to go the opposite way. But when you use the glue dot and you put the glue dot there, you just want to make sure that the tails line up. And then once you know that the tails are going to line up, you can go ahead and stick it. Huh. Alright, well that's bizarre. My glue dot just disappeared. Random. So you're going to go opposite sides. And that's going to be your little treat pouch. Isn't that cute? And that's made from an envelope, you guys. Little fish. I've got a blue and a green. This is the Bermuda Bay, and this is the lemon lime twist. Super cute.